Hi, I'm Brooke Snow, and I'm a member of the District Executive Youth Council, and I'm here to show you the Student Hub.
First, what is the Student Hub? The Student Hub is the first thing you see when you open up your internet browser on your school laptop. It's your one-stop shop access to all the tools you'll use for learning every day, and the latest news and information from the district. If you're on your school laptop, you can get to the Student Hub by opening your laptop and clicking on the Student Hub icon on your desktop. If you're at home, you can also access the Student Hub from Clever. Let's take a look at the home page. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a green bar. This contains important links that you'll access most often. Notice that the first link next to DPSCD Student Hub is Clever, which takes you to all the learning apps you use in class. Next is PowerSchool to check your assignments, then the Code of Conduct, academic calendar, and a list of school directories, so you can have easy access to a list of staff in your school. Moving down the page, you'll see an area with the latest news from the district. These tiles link you to the most important updates from the district, including messages from Superintendent VD and spotlights about students doing incredible things. On the right-hand side, you'll see a feed of meetings, assignments, and news. If you're learning virtually, you can join class right from this space. Next are My Resources. These are more of the most important links you'll need, including Clever, PowerSchool, Schoology, Homework Hotline, Tech Help, Support Services, email, and lunch menus. Next is a space for you to browse resources and information from the district. Let's jump into a few tiles here to give you an idea of what you can expect. At any time, you can click the Home button here to get you back to the home page. Let's click a tile, Equity and Culture. At the top is a video that helps you understand what you can find in this section. Below are specific resources like about Expect Respect, Student Code of Conduct, and the district's anti-racist resolution and equity framework. To get back to the home page, click Home button on the top left corner. Next is the district calendar. This shows key dates like school breaks, when report cards come out, and other big reminders. Finally, as things change about the Student Hub, we'll post new videos here. You can also participate in shaping how it looks. If you have an idea or suggestion for content, click the button to the left of the video and take a short survey to provide a suggestion. That's it! After this video, take some time to browse the sections and reflect on when you might use the Student Hub to stay connected and informed.